Hi all, today I will show you two genuine Samsung A54 5G cases. So the first one is the silicone case, which fits perfectly, so nice and easy, and so smooth. I really love this case. So if you don't drop your phone as much, I would recommend this phone, but otherwise I would recommend another case, which is the SmartView wallet case. This is again awesome. It's so nice, it fits so well, and it's easy to remove. It activates from the first time. It's really nice. So if you drop your phone more often and you want to protect it better, I would definitely recommend the wallet case, as it prevents breaking the screen. Thanks for watching.